Yeah, fuck you, dude. How you doing, man? How you doing? Just trying to get the hell home, man. I'm coming cross country from Palm Springs, California.
How's it going? Got your license on you?
I do.
You know why I'm pulling you over?
Not really.
72 miles an hour.
Well, I don't exactly know how fast I'm going.
Okay.
Because tachometer's a little off.
Okay.
To be completely honest, but 72?
72.
72.
Yes, sir.
Wow. Huh. I really don't believe that one, but yeah. Because it's a 250, man.
Step back here, car for me for a second.
Hang on, let me grab the insurance too, man.
No, you're fine. I believe you got insurance on it. Stay out of your bag for me. All right. Step back here, car for me. I'll show you something.
Yeah.
See the yellow?
I do.
What's it say?
It does say 72. I really don't believe that, though.
That radar is yet to lie to me.
And how can you get it behind? Because...
See this hand in the front? See this antenna right here, this round white thing?
Yeah.
All right, go around the back of the car.
Is it both direction also?
Yep, both be directions.
That's messed up.
Right here.
Oh, okay, I see.
MPH.
Ah, okay.
That's the brand of it.
Interesting.
The same lane, I can get two coming at me at the same time, either direction.
Nice.
So, you military?
No, sir.
Okay.
I'm burning up now that I stopped, though. Humid as hell out here. I missed the desert already, I'll tell you that.
Slow down, have a good day.
Thanks, man.
Things be in order.
Yeah.
That's what, a lot of times when traffic stops, unless you're running 74 or over, all I really want to check on is license, proof of insurance.
Make sure that you're legit, yeah, yeah.
Slow down, have a good day, man.
All right, man. Thank you.
Now you know that 250 will do 72 miles an hour.
Yeah. Should have seen what I hit in Texas then.